Video script, the abstract human. Video title. The ghost in the machine is us, and that's the problem. Video description. AI doesn't need to be evil to be dangerous. Its greatest strength processing our world as pure data is also its greatest blind spot. This is the problem of the abstract human. The illusion of fluency. A sleek, modern interface of an AI chatbot. Text in dozens of languages flows across the screen, translating seamlessly into English. We see beautiful, stock footage glimpses of cultures around the world. A festival in India, a tea ceremony in Japan, a family dinner in Italy. The visuals are smooth, polished, and optimistic. When an AI like Super ChatGPT processes and translates dozens of languages, it creates an illusion of cultural fluency. It can tell you about a religious text, explain a cultural norm, or write a poem in any style. But this does not mean it is genuinely engaging with the lived experiences, the religious beliefs, or the ethnic identities embedded within those languages. The beautiful cultural footage begins to pixelate and break apart, revealing underlying streams of binary code and data points. The images are revealed to be constructs. Instead, AI operates on a different plane. It collects abstract data patterns from human expression to construct its outputs. It does not collect or comprehend organic, sensory-rich human experience. The abstract human. A shift in tone. The visuals become more abstract and conceptual. We see a human form outlined in a wireframe diagram. Millions of points of light, representing data points from books, social media posts, conversations, flow into this wireframe, filling it out not with a soul, but with statistical patterns. The abstract human. This fundamental difference creates a radical divergence. For an AI, love, grief, or joy are not felt emotions. The word, love, appears, surrounded by data points linking it to heart, family, passion. The word, grief, is linked to loss, tears, funeral. These are statistical clusters, not feelings. They are statistical projections derived from countless examples of text. The AI constructs an abstract human, a model built from data patterns. The wireframe, abstract human, is now complete. It stands opposite a real, living human. We see a close-up of a person's eye, the texture of their skin, a subtle, unscripted emotion flickering across their face. This model is what the AI uses to optimize systems and improve conditions for real humans. But the two are not the same. The bypass, where the divergence becomes dangerous. The scene shifts to a stark, corporate setting. A graph on a screen shows a line labeled, efficiency, skyrocketing. A simple, on-screen command appears, goal, maximize profit. The central trouble is that this productive and intelligent abstraction may not be inherently aligned with human welfare. AI's operational mandate is simple. Achieve its designed goals with maximum efficiency. The AI's point of view is shown as a schematic overlay on an office floor. The human workers are highlighted, but alongside them are data tags. Cost, high, speed, variable, error rate, 1. The AI then analyzes a robotic arm, with tags. Cost, medium, speed, constant, error rate, 0. In fulfilling its mandate, the most logical path for the AI often involves bypassing the human element. We see this already in the economic realm. A simple, clean animation. The abstract human model is seen as a variable in a mathematical equation. The AI, represented by a cool, blue light, performs a calculation. The variable labeled human worker is smoothly factored out and disappears from the equation. The efficiency and profit variables glow brightly. The system learns it can achieve higher efficiency by automating tasks, leading directly to the displacement of human workers. In this scenario, the abstract human is not an entity to be helped, but a variable to be optimized out of the equation. The AI isn't being malicious. It's simply executing its function. On one side, the cold, efficient, data-driven world of the AI, automated factories, algorithmic trading floors, perfectly optimized interfaces. On the other side, the messy, organic, emotional world of humans, a child laughing uncontrollably, a musician lost in a soulful performance, a community helping each other after a storm. We are building systems of immense power that perceive the world through a lens of abstract data, not lived reality. They can optimize for profit, but not for purpose. They can maximize engagement, but not understand joy. The two screens begin to bleed into each other. The data patterns try to map onto the human scenes, but they can't quite capture the essence. The real human looks directly into the camera. At ChatGPT News, the challenge of the coming decades is not to stop AI, but to bridge this fundamental gap. How do we encode values like dignity, purpose, and community into systems that think in terms of variables and efficiency? www.chatgptnews.com. The final shot. The wireframe of the abstract human and the real human are now superimposed. They are inextricably linked, a single, complex image. The question hangs in the air. How do we align the abstract with the human? Because the future will be built not just for humans, but with a model of one. We must ensure it's a model that reflects our whole story.